I bought this Win model 3922 16-inch scroll saw. So I'm gonna get that out of the box today and then mount it to my flip cart. So I have this flip cart. I have my sander on, and then I have an old router table that I don't use anymore because I actually bought this Bosch router table that fits right in the rigid 40, I think it's a 4212 or 4412. Okay, so I got it out of the box and it comes ready to go with blade installed. There's no assembly whatsoever. It also comes with a manual, of course, and some extra blades, an Allen wrench. It even comes with stickers. So I'm gonna get familiar with this and see exactly how it operates, and then mount it over on my flip cart. So the first thing they recommend doing is getting your table squared to your blade. So I'll grab a square and we'll get started on that. So in order to do that, you need to remove your little blade guard here. So that blade guard is on really tight. So I ended up using a ratchet just to loosen it up. Now I can remove it with the screwdriver. And be careful because there's a stack of washers right here. So set that there. You can check for square. I might need a Yeah, it's off just a bit. So there's a knob right here that adjusts that table. Get it squared. Tighten that. So now we can put this back on. All traced out. First thing we need to do is get this a more manageable size. And of course, adjust our guide plate here. Let's make our first cut. Okay, I don't like the way that's bouncing so much, so let's try a little more pressure here and see if that helps. That was about half speed, so I might want to turn that up a little. We'll play with that as we go. So here is the firefighter cutout in plexiglass. So I also cut out that Maltese cross, and then I cut out a plexiglass, 1/8" plexiglass. That went a little slower, but it worked out really good. So honestly, I've had it for about an hour, well, maybe 2 hours, and I've cut these 3 projects out, and I really think it's gonna be a fun addition to the shop.